What if I told you there's a 30-second technique that can instantly take the power away from those most negative self-sabotaging thoughts? And it'll probably make you laugh in the process. Hey everybody, it's Tom with your mental fitness technique of the week, silly voices. Let's face it, we all have those thoughts that loop in our minds. The ones telling us that we're not good enough, that we'll fail, replaying our worst moments over and over. These thoughts feel so serious and powerful, but here's the thing. They don't have to control us. Today, I'm sharing a cognitive diffusion technique that helps you step back from those unhelpful thoughts instead of getting trapped by them. It's called silly voices, and it's exactly what it sounds like. Here's how it works. Think of an overly negative thought that's been bothering you lately. Maybe it's, I always mess things up, or I'm not smart enough. Now, say that exact thought out loud, but in the most ridiculous voice you can imagine. Try it as a squeaky cartoon character, or a dramatic Shakespearean actor, or a robot running out of batteries, or a pirate. I always mess things up. Arr! The sillier, the better. Notice what happens. When you hear that serious, scary thought in a goofy voice, I always mess things up. Arr! It loses its grip on you. You're not fighting the thought or trying to replace it. You're just changing your relationship with it. This technique works because it helps you see those thoughts for what they really are. Just mental chatter, not absolute truths about who you are. Try this once or twice a day, each day this week, and keep it in your back pocket for whenever those ruminating thoughts show up. Well, that's your mental fitness technique of the week, silly voices.